everyone. This is Jamaica.
And I'm Chris.
And this is Rizzy, our 1-year-old daughter who is suffering from acute myeloid leukemia relapse. So right now, we are in the hospital. We are admitted last Tuesday, that's April 6, this year, 2021. She is having her induction chemotherapy since she relapsed. For those of you who doesn't know Lizzie's history or diagnosis, here's her story.
Rizzy is a 1-year-old child diagnosed with acute myeloid leukemia last June 2020. She is our first and only child. We are a young couple thriving to seek the best and proper treatment for our child. Rizzy had undergone 4 sessions of chemotherapy last year. She had 1 induction and 3 consolidation chemo. The last chemo hit her hard that she developed pneumonia and was put into oxygen so that she can comfortably breathe. She also had sepsis, stress gastritis, and heart enlargement along with it. She was responding well on her treatment despite the said side effects and was in remission since July. She finished her chemotherapy last November 2020. We were all very happy and was hopeful that she will grow and live a normal life. Even after her chemotherapy, Rizzy was in constant monitoring. She had frequent laboratory tests to check her blood and blood count. A cranial CT scan was also performed on her to check if there are remnants or residue from her scleroma, which was one of her leukemia's manifestation before she was diagnosed. Her CT scan revealed that there were no residue of the leukemia mass, but there was an incidental finding of a pulmonary nodule in her lungs. She was then started with the full-course anti-TB drugs, and weeks later, her platelets started dropping. We thought it was just because of the anti-TB drugs, but it wasn't. Last April 5, 2021, her doctor performed a bone marrow biopsy and the result revealed that Rizzy had relapsed from her leukemia. We were very devastated and our hopes has been shattered again. She is currently admitted in the hospital now for an induction chemotherapy, hoping to put her into remission. Her doctor already recommended that Rizzy urgently needs to undergo a bone marrow transplant. Bone marrow transplant cost roughly 4 to 5 million pesos. Unfortunately, we don't have the financial capacity to do this. We are a young couple, jobless in this time of pandemic, but hoping that our child be given the best and proper treatment she deserves. A chance in life. Rizzy has been through a lot, but she didn't give up. And I don't want all her efforts be wasted. Please help us give her a chance in this life, a rebirth to a road of a cancer-free life. We are knocking in your generous hearts to please help us raise the funds for her bone marrow transplant. Any amount will be greatly appreciated. I hope you find it in your heart to help this little baby of ours. Thank you so much. May the Lord richly bless you as you give.
Dili.